Hey everybody, it's Tasha here for Make It Happen Monday. So we are in a 4-part series where we're talking about what do we do when we don't feel like we have enough time management, this whole time management bubble. And we're in week 2 talking about important and imperatives. So if I haven't met you yet, I'm Tasha and I help busy mompreneurs that feel really unproductive master productivity by implementing systems and strategies so that they can also achieve their goals in life and business. So let's jump right into it. I have studied, researched, guinea pigged, whatever you want to call it, every method in the book, okay? Since you can ask my mom, I used to do schedules and calendars and lists and highlighters and post-its and stickers and try and find the best method that would make me feel like I've truly mastered my time, okay? Now, the method that has worked the best, that is also the most sustainable. You may have landed on something that totally works for you, but as your life and your business grows, as your life grows and your business grows, you're realizing that it's not as sustainable. You might have popped out another human, you may have been, have some circumstances that have changed in your life and it's no longer sustainable. This is the one that to me has stuck the most. Important and imperatives. This is super, super simple. You ready? Take out a white piece of paper, lined, colored, so not white, whatever it is, and put a straight line right down the middle. On the left, I want you to write imperative. On the right, I want you to write important. Now, imperative are things that are directly moving you forward towards your goals. What does that mean? 2 to 3 things, minimum, to start with. Minimum. That does not include brushing your teeth, feeding your kids. That's just life stuff. Imperative are things that's moving you directly forward towards your goals. It might be something like if you're, working on, maybe let's say launching a course, okay? You are doing 30 minutes of Instagram engagement a day. Maybe you're emailing 5 businesses on a weekly basis for business and service, where you pop into their business, share your products and services. Something that is moving you forward where you can invite people into your business and products and services or whatever it is that you do. Imperative. Important is everything else. Now, here's an example. You have a sticker on your car that you need to renew. When is it imperative? It's actually imperative on the day that it's due, right? But until then, it's important. Now, you could also get into the habit of doing something like you batch your important items. So, if you don't want to leave it till the last minute to get your auto sticker, as an example, your license plate sticker, then you can do all these important items in one day at the beginning of the month, let's say. But I want you to get into the habit where you're brain dumping everything that's important, all the fluff, calling this person, reading a book, thinking of, developing XYZ, all of that stuff. But on a daily basis, you're focusing on your imperatives. So use this concept. If you don't want to be using a piece of paper every day, I totally get that. I've shifted that in my method as well. Whatever planner you're using, same concept. Draw a line. You may already have this kind of designed in your planner. Imperatives, importance. And when you plan out your week, you're popping your imperatives on a daily basis or weekly basis if that works best for you. And you know exactly what it is that you need to focus on to achieve your goals in life and business. So I hope you enjoyed that tip. Let me know in the comments what you feel like right now is imperative in your life. 2 to 3 things, okay? And then I can comment back and say, what's your goal? Yes, that sounds like it makes sense. Or that sounds a bit more like it's important. So if you want more strategies like this, you can go to bit.ly/bizmomproductivityboost and get your free guide. So the 20 secret strategies that some mompreneurs I'm working with are using today to boost their productivity in life and business. So go ahead and get that. Let me know in the comments what you feel like is imperative in your life. And I'll see you next week for Make It Happen Monday. Bye, everybody.